Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the text or font color in your Gmail email. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up an email you're already working on, or if you want to compose a new one, that's fine. And you want to select at the bottom here, there should be a little letter that says formatting options. You can hover over it. It looks like a little A icon with an underline under it. Go ahead and select that. And then at this point, go ahead and select the little A with an underline icon again. So it should be another one you would select. At this point, go ahead and change the text color by selecting that in here. And if you want to change existing text, you just would highlight over it, click that little A icon again, and you can select a different text color from the list here. Pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.